Now, our mentorship program has three key components that I quickly want to walk you through as we set the tone up. Most of you, on the average, about 9 out of 10 of you, are busy corporate executives who want to finish this program as soon as possible. What it means then is that we have created a program to really meet your need wherever you are, to enable you to study regardless of your location, but most importantly, to study with internet or without internet. So that is really our goal, to give you everything you need to position you to pass the examination, regardless of your location, with internet services or without internet services. Because it doesn't matter where you are located, it doesn't matter whether you have internet or you don't have internet. We believe that you can prepare adequately, go into the examination and write the exam with confidence and pass the examination in one examination night. You don't have to write the exams over and over again. And so your enrollment into our mentorship program gives you access to three key things. The first one is our content library. And so our content library is where you get access to previous lecture videos. Okay, so you're going to be getting access to the full July 2026 session, the full lectures. You get access to that, which you can watch on our website as well as in the mobile application where you can download. And we'll get into that in a moment. You also get access to our premium exclusive key summary videos. For most of you, this is going to be your best area to study. That is the key summary videos. Now, the key summary videos are principle-based videos where we've broken down whatever subject you are writing into the key topical areas, principles with 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 12 minutes, 15 minutes, short videos explaining key principles under each of the topics. And so for the most part, you can go ahead of the class, use the key summary videos based on whatever you are studying, and study ahead of time. So you don't have to say that, okay, maybe I missed lectures or I have to sit down to watch 3-hour video that's going to take you 6 hours. What topic was discussed? Okay, you can go to the key summary videos, which can be accessed in the mobile application, and we'll get into that in a moment, anywhere, and you can download the videos as well to watch. So that's the second thing in our content library that you get access to, the key summary videos there. Then the third thing is going to be our live practice questions. Because after you study, you must answer some questions. So our live practice questions also available for you to get access to. So your enrollment gives you access to, first, our content library, which is having the previous lecture videos, the key summary videos, and then the live practice question course. And so if you check your course on the website, I'm on the website here. Once you are signed in, you go to your courses, and whatever subjects that you have enrolled in is going to be showing here. And so whatever subjects, let's say that I go to financial reporting, I click read, view or read, then the content are going to be coming here. And you can see July 2026 live lecture. So July session, the full lecture videos are accessible and available here that you can watch on the website as well as in the mobile application. Then, still in the course, you see the key summary videos. Now, this is financial reporting. You can see 45 lecture videos on the key summary videos. But as I said, the key summary videos are exclusively accessible in the mobile application. So, for instance, if I open one of the key summary videos here, you will realize that you'll be met with a message like this, that, oh, this video is strictly accessible in the mobile application. I'm going to take you to the mobile application in a moment. But that is what you must understand, that your enrollment gives you access to the previous lecture videos. Then when you come to the mobile application as well, so this is the interface of the mobile application, whether you are on Android or you are on iOS, which is iPhone. So I'm on iOS for my presentation here. So when you open the Nhyira Premium mobile application, this is what you see. And you could see that you have the dashboard there. You have some free videos in the app that you can watch if you want to. I think my profile is okay. Then you have our blogs available, which you can also read on our blog website. So we have some free blogs available there that you can watch. But most importantly, it's your dashboard, which takes you to the courses that you have enrolled in. And so whatever course you have enrolled in, you are going to see it there. This is a dummy account. That's why you're seeing a lot of things there. So let's say I go to corporate reporting. So the same content accessible on the website can be accessed in the mobile application as well. But the key summary videos, as we mentioned, are exclusively accessible in the mobile application. So when I come to the key summary videos, you can see the videos here. So I can open any of them and then I can simply start watching. Now you can see that there is a download button there. The download buttons means you can download a video and get access to the video right in the mobile application.
So IAS
right?
21,
So you can see here the video has started playing,
changes,
right? So I can click on download, and once I click on download, you will see the progress bar below the screen. Now, if you are using Android phones, the progress bar will be in your notification. So when you pull your notification down, you'll see the progress bar there to be able to know how far the video has been or is being downloaded generally at the end of the day. So that is having access to these contents available to help you to study. Now, when you finish downloading, you are going to be seeing, so I've downloaded this already. That's why you're seeing that red icon, download icon by 8. So it means it has already been downloaded. Once it is downloaded, I can just click on watch download.
Right, so welcome to the next episode in our IFRS masterclass as we continue to look at the basic principles
whatever
that we
you
need
want
to
watch,
understand when
maybe
it
you are
comes to
going
the
to be
accountants.
in a location where there will not be internet, right? So whatever you want to watch, all you do is once you have access to the internet, you download as many of the videos as possible right in the mobile application. So if you go off grid or your data is finished or you are out of internet, what do? You still have access to the videos to be able to learn them all from the mobile application at no extra cost to you. That is what our content library is all about. Getting access to the previous lecture videos, getting access to the key summary videos to help you finish the syllabus in record time. And then the last one is the live practice questions. The live practice questions, I will entreat you to come to that probably from session 6 or session 5, because by then we might have covered quite a number of grounds to help you to really understand what is going on so that you don't make a lot of mistakes, right? Because when you come to the practice question, so whatever subject you've enrolled in, let's say this time around, let me go to what? Public sector accounting and finance. So you can see MQC test. Once I click on the MQC test, boom, it is starting. And this is on the website. So the first question is this: how can an entity recognize assets under the accrual base of accounting policy? Now, there is a timer at the right corner. You can see the timer there at the right corner. So you can see the timer counting down. Now, if you're not able to answer the question by the time the timer is over, it will just go to the next question easily, right? So that is the live practice question. So I don't want you to come here early. The reason is because when you come here early, then you will see questions that you may not be able to answer. Then you will start feeling overwhelmed. So you're going to be coming here after you have done quite a number of things, right? So that when you come here, you'll be able to, once you pick your answer, you just click on next question, and then it takes you to the next question, and then you do that. When you are done, your results will be automatically generated. Then you just come to MQC again. You see MQC results, and then it's going to open the test you took, how many you got right, and then how many you got wrong, all happening right on the website. So that is what you must understand about our content library, what you get there when after your enrollment, and each one of you have access to this. So that's the first thing that you get content library. What it means is that you can pass the examination by leveraging this content library, because everything you need to pass the examination is already available here. The fact that you can get access to the July 2026 full lectures, you can get access to the premium key summary videos, and get access to the live practice question on the website, everything you need already available there that you can leverage to put you in the position to go into the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and most importantly, pass the examination. So that's the first thing about our mentorship program. So if you learned something from this video, remember to like, follow, subscribe, and share the video so that others can also see this. Most importantly, let me hear from you if there are any questions you have, or if you have any topic that you would want me to cover on the next episode, leave it in the comment section. I want to read from you. If you want to enroll as well in our courses to study under my mentorship for your ICA, ACCA, CIMA, or ICAN examination, you can head on to our website, NhyiraPremium.com, or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the App Store to complete your enrollment. You can also send us a message on WhatsApp or call us 050-114-9296. 050-114-9296. Complete your enrollment today to join our community. Let me hold your hand, provide you with the blueprint that you need with the team here. Let us assist you. This is our mission. This is what we do. This is what we are called for. And we have the resources, the skills, the expertise needed to help you to pass the examination. So visit our website, NhyiraPremium.com, to read more about us. Or better still, download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. You want to get personal? Hit us with a DM or send us a message on WhatsApp, 050-114-9296. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.